Just pulled into services. Stephen's filling up. £1.78 a litre of diesel. Just outside Abington. Terrible prices. Scotland certainly has been kind to us with the weather so far, hasn't it? We don't want to jinx it, because I'm sure it could change just like that. But so far, so good.
Continue on M9.
Well, if you haven't guessed already, we're on our way to see the Kelpies in Falkirk.
Glasborough Road, A905.
I've always wanted to see them, and they're supposed to be really pretty lit up at night, so we'll take you with us. Hi, right, that's us. We've arrived at our next destination, which is in Falkirk in Scotland, and it's the famous Kelpies. So we've parked up for part of the day and parked up for the night here, so we can visit the Kelpies in the daytime and also pop over in the evening when it's all lit up and it's supposed to be really lovely. So we'll take you along and have a look. You can probably see them in the distance there.
Well, here we are. Just about to walk up to the Kelpies. We're going to come back again at night when it's all lit up. We'll show you what it's like at night time.
Beautiful sunny day today again. Loving Scottish weather. They're doing all the maintenance and all the rest of it before the holiday makers for the summer arrive.
They do look good against the
It's beautiful.
skyline, don't they?
They're huge. When you look at the size of the people against them, you realise just how massive they are.
Yeah. Let's take a walk up. Yeah.
They're even more stunning than I thought they would be.
It makes it look better when the sun's
Shining on them, yeah. So this is a canal which runs right up to under the Kelpies. We'll take you in a minute and see the canal boats. Massive. This is the canal by the Kelpies. I didn't think I'd be eating ice cream in Scotland. Been so kind with the weather so far.
really big.
I'm just jealous. Lovely. What? This weather's beautiful.
Absolutely glorious. I forgot to bring my sunglasses.
You leave them in the van.
I don't really know what I'm filming. I can't really see it properly. I hope it's okay. Well, this is very pleasant, isn't it?
It's Absolutely gorgeous. It's a real bonus. We didn't expect weather like this.
Yeah.
Can't believe I'm sitting in Scotland with no coat on and
eating
eating an ice cream.
cream.
Absolutely beautiful.
Nice cup of coffee as well.
So peaceful. Absolutely lovely. See the swan down there, Stephen? At the other side of the canal?
Yeah. You won't be able to pick it up with the camera though.
No,
Yeah. We didn't expect weather like this, did we?
you didn't.
And yeah, it was quite fresh this morning when we left Lanarkshire, wasn't it?
It was sunny,
really
but
cold.
it was sunny, but
It
a
was
real,
cold.
real nip to the air, wasn't there?
We had a bit of the heating on full blast
Yeah.
this morning, didn't we?
Having said that, we didn't know when we left there. We didn't quite know where we were heading, so it was a bit last minute decision
No.
to come here, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And is it 5:50? 5:50 to park here for the day.
And £12
all day.
to stay overnight.
If you want to stay overnight, it's £12 or £12.50.
Oh, there's a piper there. I can hear a piper.
I think we've got to go and find him.
Yeah, we're going to find a piper in a minute. Don't look at him because you want money.
Yeah, can't go to Scotland without finding a piper.
I can see him.
Can you?
He's way over the distance.
Is he?
The camera would never pick it up. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, I feel so chilled today. It's really nice.
Yeah, I feel a bit more relaxed now, aren't we? I went into the garage and put loads of diesel in, and it cost me 68 quid. And then the gas pump turned off. And I thought, well, that must be it. And I put a bit more in and turned off again. And I jumped in and I only had 3/4 of a tank. So I think there was something wrong with the pump.
And then you went to fill up with LPG.
Really annoyed about that.
You went to fill up with LPG in the same place.
Yeah.
And that pump, you just stood there for 24 hours to get a full full bottle.
I gave up after £1.55 worth of gas.
It was taking forever.
So if we run out of gas, we'll just have to have something cold.
Ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Right, we're going to finish our coffee and go back to the van, I think. We'll see you in a bit. No, I don't think it is renovation. I think they might be setting up for like a show or a concert or something. I don't know. There seems to be some sort of platform going on here, like a stage.
Sitting in the van having lunch, and this is the view. Not bad.
There is more to the Kelpies than meets the eye. The foundations of these gargantuan structures are actually deeper than their height. The horse with his head down is called Duke, and he is 26.5 meters tall. Baron is the horse with his head up, and he is 30 meters tall. The foundations of these structures are 35 meters deep.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Just got myself a new travelling buddy. Meet Hamish, the Highland Coo. Isn't he lovely?
Good travelling buddy.
Yeah, well, I've got something to tell you. So we've had a lovely day at the Kelpies. We're parked up right beside them. You can see them over there in the distance. We were parked up just along here. This is where they park you when you first come in, and it costs, park you in this area if you're a motorhome or camper van, it costs $5.50 for the day. And then between 4, 5, 6 o'clock, when it starts to quieten down, they move you into the main car park, because all the, you can see it's all motorhomes and camper vans along here. It says there. And nice big car park. As I say, it's filling up now with motorhomes. The idea of it is £12.50 for the night. Toilets stay open all night. And the Kelpies tonight are lighting up at 9 o'clock. So we'll have a wander through at 9 o'clock. And let you have a look. We'll take you with us. Lovely big park up. Motorhomes in the evening, through the night. Need to be leaving by 11 in the morning. And there's a cafe, toilets all night, security walking around. Nice job, Falkirk.
Well, that's been a lovely end to the day. I hope you enjoyed our little journey from Lancashire up to Abingdon in Lanarkshire, and then from there up to Falkirk, where we are now. We did go out and see the Kelpies lit up at night time, which was absolutely brilliant. It was better than my expectations. It was absolutely wonderful, wasn't it?
I have absolutely fell in love with the Kelpies. I've always heard about them, always seen pictures of them, and thought they'd be nice. But oh, they've captured me. They're absolutely gorgeous. During the day, they're stunning, and at night, there's something magical about them. Really lovely. Thoroughly enjoyed today.
So we're here in the car park at what is it? It's the Helix Centre, isn't it?
The Helix Centre. I think we've just shown them the car park.
Yeah, and it's really, really busy. There's loads and loads of motorhomes. But yeah, we've had a brilliant day.
Been so good.
The weather has just been absolutely brilliant.
Who says Scotland has terrible weather? Oh my goodness, it's been so kind to us.
Well, it did rain as soon as we crossed the border. Remember?
Yeah, it did actually. But honestly, every time we've gone out anywhere to see some scenery or whatever, it's been beautiful, hasn't it?
It certainly has.
Really lovely.
Well, we're going to end this one here, and we will catch you on the next one. So
We certainly will. Thanks for joining us.
thank you very much.
Bye.
See you again. Bye bye.
See you next time.